When time is money, the speed and reliability of each tooling connection matter. Today, we are going to focus on Melfred Borzal's latest innovation in tooling connection that can save you time and money. From the minds that brought you the Pit Bull and Fastback systems, this is the Tricon System Tool Talk. The HDD industry has come a long way in making reliable, safe connections for tooling and equipment. Melfred Borzal now has an option to traditional threaded connection systems that enables you to go from pilot bore tooling to complete pullback setup 4 times faster than conventional setup connections, and all with no specialty breakout tooling required. Let's dig into a bit of the engineering behind the new Tricon connection. The patent-pending triangular design provides greater surface area contact during rotation, keeping your contacts and tolerances nice and tight. As a comparison, we can see how other threadless connections that use a more key and groove method only use a fraction of the contact surface on rotation. Unfortunately, this opens up the possibility of leakage, stress points, or undue wear, all things that are not a factor with the Tricon's rounded corner triangular design. You'll also notice that the system utilizes heavy-duty coiled pins with a deep seat in the pin for greater contact surface area than other connection types. These factors and others provide you with 25% more tensile strength. To assemble a bit to your Tricon housing, line up the notch on the housing and the bit. This is a quick reference to ensure your pinholes are aligned. Then, take your punch holder and give each of the 2 coiled pins a few taps with a hammer until they are completely inserted. When you're ready to change from pilot bore to pullback, knock those pins out the other direction and put just a bit more grease on the pin before installing your pullback device or reamer. Now let's talk versatility. As you're probably beginning to see, the Tricon connection is as versatile as it is easy. We have everything from eagle claws to iron fists for pilot bores, and then for pullback, we've got pulling eyes and various reamers up to 10 inches. That versatility we're talking about extends to the job site as well. With the only tools needed for breakout being a lightweight punch and hammer, you can now work with smaller pit areas as narrow as 18 inches in diameter. But don't just take our word for it. We put Tricon in the hands of some drillers that had never used it before in some tough ground. Let's see what they had to say.
We're over here in Utah on Magna. We're looking to install 6-inch conduit today. We're working up in a residential area. Can't have too much of a step. I can't have too much of a wide exit pit, so I'm not impacting people's livelihoods because people still have to flow in and out. We're looking about 440 feet of 6-inch. Always having problems with my breakout wrenches, whether we're not getting them on exactly right or something with the rods not quite lined up. I'm losing time. Kind of led me to where I'm at now. It was phenomenal. We only had to work in a minimal space where usually on the breakout wrenches trying to get it, you're in a wide swath of an area. You got to make sure your tooling's on right. You have all these variables that can go wrong. With this, it was just a simple setup, 2 pins, get in close, knock it out. I wanted to see what it was. I mean, we had first time trying it, we knocked it, switched out tooling in under 5 minutes, so that's production for you.
There you have it. We even have crossover adapters to help you use Tricon tooling with your existing tooling, while you get that last bit of wear out of it before completely transitioning over to the Tricon system. Talk to your local Melfred Borzal tooling specialist today to get your hands on the Tricon system that is connecting the future of the HDD industry.